Welcome to educational live trade video for the day. So today I trade on Bharat Fog. So I'll be telling you where I took the entry, where I took the exit and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding all these things. So guys, yes, right now I'm short selling Bharat Fog in the market level now around 1191 to 1192 levels. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So this is the trade what I've taken according to my study and the strategy. Okay, and I'm planning to keep the target up to 5 points. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So yes, the market is in a bit of a downtrend, not much of a gap down or something, but it's down by almost 25 points now. And also this stock is not able to push up after the first candle is done. So the sellers are coming in a bit higher volume. So that's the reason why I have selected this stock for short selling, and there are a lot of other factors which are supporting this according to my study and the strategy. So yes, let's see how the stock will perform, and I'll be showing you where I take the exit and everything. And also guys, if you guys want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my unique and personal intraday trading course today. Okay, so in my course I'll be teaching you all the methods of making consistent profit in intraday trading, which are very simple skills and no need of any indicators and no complicated things. And the main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And also once you join my course, you will be getting all these benefits with my years and years of experience, and it's all straightforward strategies. Okay, and also once you join us, you get daily live market support as well. You can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and everyday live trade videos which I uploaded from almost 3 years plus. And if you guys wish to get all this knowledge and want to be a consistent profitable trader from today, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can be a consistent profitable trader from today. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, according to my study now, the stock is coming down. Short sold on 1192. Now it has made a low of 1188 almost. You can see the sellers are increasing. So I'll just take my exit once it touches somewhere near 1186. Okay, so 1186 has also been touched here. So as I'll be doing the market exit, I'll just wait for it to touch somewhere around 1185 so that I'll have some buffer to exit. Okay, so yes, the stock is being pushed by the sellers. So and the market is also down. Market is down by 0.30% down now. Okay, 1185 has been touched now guys. I'll just take the exit. So 1185.45. Okay, 0.30. So guys, as you guys can see here, the stock has almost made a low of 1185, and I took my exit somewhere over here by booking almost 5 points of target. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Bharat Fog. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.